mutton, thyme, salt, lemon and basil pesto. I'm using crushed garlic and green chilli. I'm gonna set aside for at least minimum 1 hour. To make a sauce, I'm going to use garlic cream cheese. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, vinegar, salt and crushed oregano, almost 1 tablespoon lemon juice. That's it, sauce is ready. So I'm gonna use also almost 5-6 pre-cooked hash brown. To make a salad, I'm going to use parsley, cucumber, tomato, olives, basil pesto, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper powder. Of course, some onion. Fresh lime juice. Olive oil. Adding mutton and over the medium to low heat. I'm gonna let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the mutton is fully cooked and becomes soft, tender and juicy inside. It's been about 12 minutes for simmering. Now I'm gonna add red wine, almost 4 tablespoons. Over the high flame, cook for at least 3-4 minutes so that the pieces turn into dark brown color. After that, I'm gonna add a pre-cooked hash brown, and once it's done, I will add it to the sauce.